Hey guys, check it out. We're in San Francisco, California, and we are at Pier 33.
Yeah, we're gonna hop this boat right behind us, which is gonna take us over to Alcatraz Island.
So let's go.
They rank the places in the world that people want to see, and Alcatraz ranks number 8, right behind the Taj Mahal.
This is the second time I come here because I truly like coming here.
You hear about it or seen it in movies, and actually being here is just like, dang, this is crazy.
I can't even imagine stepping off of a boat and going to a prison.
This is solitary. This is where the most violent and dangerous criminals would be held 24 hours a day. We're never allowed out of their cells. So let's take a look at it. You can totally feel how just isolating this is. Dark, no windows, layer of bars and a layer of concrete wall. This place is lonely.
So these images here are actually from the day that it closed here in 1963. What's up?
This is the rec area. Calling it. Right through the guard tower.
It is the best audio tour I've ever had.
The Alcatraz tour, really great storytelling.
There are lots of things to do and see here. It's worth about 3 or 4 hours of your trip to the Bay Area.
Guys, we had a wonderful time, but it is time to get off this rock.
We're gonna escape this place and head back to the city.